The world economy is rarely stable. Even if growth is expected, there are still other factors that may lead to tightening of financial conditions and other risks that may endanger your current financial status. And if you are wise, you should never rely on just one source of income, especially when you have a family to feed or you have plans to pursue that need your ample time and resources. More people are finding other ways to earn than just their primary income, because the fact is, you can lose everything without warning, and you will be left clueless and penniless. But for those people who wanted to earning money online is a good option. While saving is good, the better way to improve your finances is to make money. There may be unlimited ways to earn, but making money online has becoming one of the effective ways to generate income. The internet offers many opportunities to earn, but you also must carefully consider and study if what you are offered with is legitimate or just tricky schemes to put you in a disadvantage. If you want to make money online, there are endless possibilities, but if you are just starting, there are easy ways to earn, like a system that can help you make money in just a few minutes per day and without required experience. This system is the Bulletproof Profits by Justin Tyler. Bulletproof Profits is the product of what Justin Tyler discovered as a secret online gold mine that makes $685 billion year after year. It teaches you how to get a piece of that billion-dollar income and can make you earn $2,000 per day. You must be wondering how Justin Tyler stumbled upon this gold mine. He is a regular guy who works 9 to 5, a husband and a father of 2. He loves his family so much that he wanted to provide them the best lifestyle, but no matter how hard he worked for long hours and squeeze his way through heavy traffic every day, he still was not able to give them everything they deserve. And his situation worsens when one day his company let him go. Downhearted and defeated, he got a call from his wife informing him that she was diagnosed with cancer. He was unemployed and now he must find his wife the best treatment there is. And it was when he and his friend met that he was able to know about this secret way to make money online. He was skeptical at first, but out of desperation he tried it, earning him more than $800 in just a few hours. His life changed ever since that. After refining it, he decided to share this unique money making with Amazon, the largest e-commerce marketplace in the world. While he claims that you can earn fast with Bulletproof Profits, find out for yourself if this strategy is right for you as we take a closer look about this product. This may pave the way to bring you financial freedom, maybe not overnight, but you are on your way there. There is no risk getting this product because it is backed with a money-back guarantee feature, so you might as well try it and start your money-making online journey.